Guess where we are? Ta-da! Look at her short. His short. So this is our family day today, and we are matching shorts. Yeah, because we're shorts. Did you lock the ano na? Car? Ayan siya. So sa spring kami pupunta. I will show you how beautiful the spring is. Ta-da! So no lifeguard swim at own risk. Non-swimmers, please wear life-saving device. This is the map. So we're here. We're going to the
river.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
From midpoint or down here's landing.
There's the entrance. So we'll.
Oh, here's midpoint.
How fast you walk. So if you're going to walk faster, then you'll be there for 5 minutes. Look, it's very beautiful, oy. So trail yan siya. Ganito siya kaganda dito. Diba? Hindi siya tulad dyan sa Pinas, no? So ayan, tamang walk muna kami kasi pupunta namin yung ano, tinatawag nilang Blue Holes. They said it's very pretty. So ayan siya, puntahan namin. Diyan kami mamaya mag-swimming, o ayan o. Yan, dyan banda, may mga tao maingay. Diyan yung swimming area nila. Punta kami dyan mamaya. Pero ngayon, punta muna kami doon. Iniwan nila ako kasi ang bagal ko maglakad. Ang bilis nila. Uy! Hello ko, it's really beautiful. Princess, you need to pass this one. Yeah, that's a blue hole. It's pretty. Uy. Princess said she want to pee. Pero naglalakad kami, nag-hike. Just sa gilid-gilid, you can pee. Yeah, it's free bathroom over here. It's weird. Hi, nag-ihi ka sa Pilipinas.
It's before in the Philippines, up here in America.
At least you peed in America. Nasa kagubatan. Ang ganda niya, di ba?
What if there's a snake here?
Walking like this. Oh
What
my
if
God.
there's a snake and then you want me to pee?
Oh, there's snakes here. For sure.
Ang ganda niya dito mag-walking.
I don't mean you'll see one.
They're carrying their bag like Why?
It's heavy.
It's heavy and we have 15 minutes walk?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You guys can do that. You guys can survive. Oh my God. Tanan, yung mga kasama mo araw-araw, mabubuang ka. Kasi mga buang-buang.
Baby.
Lasang talaga tunak. Pupunta na siya sa bundok.
Ayan.
Ang ganda naman kasi talaga dito as in. Look at, tignan nyo kung saan kami naglalakad.
Mommy, wait for me.
Ganito kaganda yung lalakaran namin, oh. Yeah, me too. I really need to pee. Ooh, oh my God, that's pretty. Let's go in the water. Oh my God, it's really pretty. Tawag nila dito Blue Holes. Ang ganda niya talaga, dyan galing yung water. Dahil sobrang lalim doon. Tapos, ano siya, yung water na yun, is maliit lang yung ano niya sa taas. Pero pag mag-dive ka papuntang ilalim, meron siyang cave na wide sa ilalim. Nakakatakot kasi doon galing sa ilalim ng water. So parang sinisipsip ka ng water. And it's scary. Kaya hindi kami nag-swim doon. Doon kami sa ano nila. Swimming area talaga. Kasi meron sila ditong swimming area na. So balik kami doon. Right?
Right.
Okay. Right? Right. Yun na, kinakpoy na talaga yung mga kasama ko. Ang bagal na maglakad. Naiwan na sila, oh. Pagod na? Ayaw na nila makausap, oh. Pagod na yun sila kakalakad. Sabi doon, 15 minutes walk daw. 5 minutes walk lang naman talaga. Loka. So, andito na. Swimming na lang kami dito, eh. Ganda, diba? Tanan! Yan siya. Tan, 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 tan. Look at that. Ang ganda, ang daming tao. Tanan! Ayan siya, natural spring. Meron siyang parang swimming pool. Daming tao eh. How's your spring hunting?
Amazing.
Amazing.
We did not swim kasi ang daming tao, napaka-crowded.
There's 500 people here.
Can I drink the water here? Yeah, this is yours.
Yeah, you can. I have it. Then,
Here,
give daddy some water.
I don't have water anymore.
There's water in the one that I bought. Okay, give him the Mountain Dew.
It's not cold anymore.
It's still wet.
Ang daming tao ng spring nila kasi ano, Sabado, tapos wala sila ng trabaho sila. Mga, yung lampas talaga mga 500 people. Ganun. Tapos daming nag-picnic. So, mag-walk out na lang kami. No, we're not going to walk out. We're going to drive out. Kasi, makaya na lang kami ng ibang spring. Hindi masyadong crowded. Doon kami swimming. Kaya sayang naman yung ano namin, attire. Fisty. We are going to look for more spring. More spring. Ang ganda talaga ng weather today, and like yesterday it's cloudy. Today it's really pretty, right?
Right.
Ganda.